Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So when I was growing up, at Christmas time, I looked forward to eggnog. I would drink as much of it as I could during that holiday week. But once I found out there was actual egg yolk in it, I stopped drinking it. So I was so excited last week when I saw Martha Stewart, the Martha Stewart, on a talk show, and she made what looked to me, what I'm gonna call a no egg eggnog. I don't remember what she called it, but that's what I'm calling it. And she used ingredients that I think were Jamaican inspired. She used coconut milk and evaporated milk and condensed milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, and rum. And I added some vanilla extract because I really like the taste of that. It is a quick and easy recipe, and of course you can make it non-alcoholic as well. So stay tuned for my no egg eggnog inspired by Martha Stewart. So if you like the taste of eggnog, but you don't like the idea of egg yolk, try this recipe. I guarantee you're gonna love it. And if you make it, let me know in the comments how it went. Until next time, take care.